Hey, what's going on, guys? Mark here, and we're going to do a review today for a Christmas present that we got our baby girl. She's 5 years old, and we wanted to get a swing. If you guys can see in our backyard, we got a pretty cool backyard back here, and wanted to get something that would have her out in it a lot. So what we did is we got this swing here. If you guys take a look at this right here, this is a swing. It is a Platoon swing. It's a 40-inch, and it is fully assembled. I would show you an unboxing, but it came in the box just like that right there, so there's really nothing I can show you. But if you take a look at this right here, it's all made out of nylon, comes together with all the strings and the rope right here, comes with the fasteners, and up here, the only thing we had to do was get some rope right up here. As you can see, I got this nylon rope right here. It's about a 300-pound working load, which is fine. Our baby weighs about 60 pounds, somewhere around there. And with her and everything else that's on it, I even got on here and got a quick ride on it, and it is good. What I did when I did the installation on this right here is I tied 2 bowline knots, one here and one up at the top, so then make a slip knot up there, fed the rope. Now if you look up top there, you'll see that I have a line going over the fence here. Just in case I need to make any type of adjustments, I had myself a safety line here that lets me pull my slip knot back out. So again, this has a 600-pound working load right here as well, so 300 on the rope. When you start swinging, you have a 100-pound person on there, and say they go at the top of their pendulum in the swing, you might get about 180 pounds of G-force coming pushing up and down like that. I don't know the math, so don't quote me on it, but you always want to be at least the strength of this rope right here, 600 pounds, at least half of it, if not more. So the way we installed it and hooked it up here is I took my rope, I fed it up over the tree branch right there. That tree branch is about 10 inches thick and around. And from that point, what we did is we tied a double bowline knot up there and one down here, but I made a slip knot up there so I could feed one line up. So in the end, there's only one single line that's coming down. We were going to have it hooked up with the 2 ropes side by side, but then that creates some issues if you have a branch that's kind of canted or tilted off to the side like that. So we did one single one. That way the pivot point's right here and it stays nice and level, and through your swing, it does really good. So let's get the baby on here. You want to try it out, Harper? You sure? Come on in here. So this is our 5-year-old, and I may be incorrect on how much do you weigh? Do you know how much you weigh?
No.
She weighs 32, so I doubled your weight, and so I'm sorry about that. So let's get you on here. We're going to see how this guy swings. You ready? You want to sit up or you want to lay down? You want to lay down? All right, she's going to lay down. So what we're going to do is I'm going to pull this back as far as I can. Here we go. I'm going to do a real slow swing right here. Now from about 6 feet off of center, we got a good 12-foot arc, or about a 15-foot arc right there. That's pretty good. You want to go higher?
Yeah.
Now, full disclaimer, I did check the knot and the rope there to make sure that it was good. I sat in it and did really well. So hold on really good. We're going to get you up there in a good swing. Hang on with both hands. Lay flat on your back. Your hands out to your side. Here we go. You ready to go high? Yeah, here we go. All right, so this thing, like I said, has got really good swinging. And it goes from, it doesn't deviate off of its center point too much, which is good. We've got a tree over here to my left, and then we've got Harper on this here. So it does a pretty good swing, and when you do a good swing from about 12 feet out of the center, it'll stay swinging for a good 2 minutes approximately. So this is pretty awesome. How are you liking it, Harper? Is it good?
Yeah.
So this is the Platoon web swing. It's a 40-inch. That's the one that we got, is a 40-inch swing, and I think she's going to dig it. She has a birthday party coming up. So that's it here. Out of this one here, I give it about a 4-star review, and the reason why I give it a 4 is the included hardware in there has some metal fragments and frays on it that snag the rope just a little bit on the back side of where our knot is, or on the front side of where our knot is. So yeah, they could include a little bit better hardware. The price is about $79. You can get it on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description there. Harper's still swinging, as I was mentioning right there. So basically, she's going to enjoy it. She's going to have some fun with her friends, and we're going to be able to enjoy this here. We did have a baby swing that's hooked up on this side over here. We're going to keep it there, so all of our swings are in kind of one location. But again, $79, not too bad for what you get there. The next thing that I'm going to do to it, if you have anything outdoors, is you need to get a UV spray and a UV coating or a waterproofing. That will help give you longevity in the swing. And the reason why I say that, it's going to be in a lot of full sun periodically in the mornings, as you can see right now. But the nylon around there, if you put some UV spray on there, it's about $7 a can. I'll put a link for that in the description as well. Anything outdoors, spray that stuff on it. It will be really good and protect your investment. How you doing, Harvey? You good? Oh, I thought she was sleeping. All right, can I go on it? One thing that I recommend when you are hanging the swing is hang it a little bit higher than you normally think you would. And also with that double bowline knot, you can actually untie it pretty easy. It's a pretty secure knot, but when you do the installation here, raise it up a little bit, because nylon and any other rope that you have essentially will stretch out. So what happens if you get someone like me, I weigh 190, and you get on here, it's going to drop down a little bit. Yeah, it'll come back up. Usually this is a good height right here, so they need help getting on. That way they don't come out here and get on it themselves. Yo, it's still swinging? All right, let me get on there. Whoa! All right, go to mama. Yeah, you're gonna go on again. So let me see if I can't take a little ride on it and see how it looks. Step back. So as I was mentioning, pretty awesome. You can do the swing yourself and even get some momentum into it, just like a normal swing would. Really comfortable too. I can stay here. If we had a little bit bigger, I'd probably call it a hammock, but 40 inches is pretty good. Just from the corner here, you can see that I'm only taking up about half. So if Lindsay wanted to get on here, we could. Harper can come on here with me and take a good fun swing. You want to come with me?
Yeah.
All right, let's do that.
Stop.
But yeah, we're going to take a ride together. You ready for a ride, Harper?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. Here, you're going to sit in the front. Come up here. Hold the ropes. All right, can you tell everybody about the swing?
It's so fun. I hope you enjoy this video.
All right, guys, we're going to enjoy the swing here for a little bit. I hope you guys liked the video, and thanks for liking, commenting, subscribing, and smashing that bell button so you can get some notifications when I do some more reviews. We're going to have a few more coming out just because holiday times, and we got some pretty cool stuff for the babies. So I will see you again next time.
Let's go higher. Let's go